The keyboard is an essential part of the user interface, and Sketchup treats the Mac keyboard differently than the PC keyboard. And the reason has more to do with the operating systems than it does with Sketchup itself. I'm on a Mac, so if I say press Command-Option-S, I don't want you to be scratching your head if you're on Windows. I think it'll be a lot easier for everyone if I just stick to one set of keyboard shortcuts. Otherwise, I'd have to duplicate every operation and say if you're on the Mac, do this, if you're on Windows, do that. In the Windows version of Sketchup, there are 3 modifier keys: the Alt key, the Control key, and Shift. You don't use the Windows key in Sketchup. It's for more basic operating system functions. On the Mac, these map to the Option key, the Control key, and the Shift key. The Option key actually says Alt on some Mac keyboards, cluing you into the fact that it maps to the Alt key in Windows. On some other Mac keyboards, you'll find an Apple symbol, I'll try to sketch here, on the Option key. Or you might even see this symbol. It also means Option. In menus, you'll see the Control key represented by a caret symbol, and the Shift key is represented by an upward-facing arrow. In the Windows, you'll notice there's also a Command key, and that can be used in SketchUp. It's represented by this cloverleaf symbol. The Command key is only used for hard-coded shortcuts. I'll show you what I mean. If I go up here to the Mac version of SketchUp, you can see in the Draw menu that we have these shortcuts. We'll go over to SketchUp Preferences and just type in Rectangle here. And you can see that I've assigned R as my key for the rectangle tool. I've assigned single letters to the tools that I use the most often. And then I've assigned the Option key to tools that I use the second most often. And then I'll use Control and Shift, or some combination of them, to represent less frequently used commands.